Yeah, dude. This is the atomic wing, right? I've been eating these, but I got 2 atomic wings. I don't know if I'm gonna get through both. Need a new chair? Are you guys ready for this? I'm so scared, dude. This is the 5-star. It's not too bad yet. Oh, I feel it. I'm just gonna do it. That's hot. Oh, I didn't get a drink. I didn't fill. Oh my god, that's so hot.
Oh, dude, getting a drink's a good idea. I'm gonna go grab
I
one.
I got Can you hear you? Okay.
Grab me a
Can you hear
sody pop.
Austin? Dude, that's so hot. Oh my god. I gotta finish it. Oh, I gotta finish it. It's so sticky. I'm used to dry rub. This is ASMR, by the way. Oh my god, it's so hot. I have to finish it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it gets hotter. It gets hotter. All right, eat shelf. Eat other shelf. Eat the better wings.
What do you say?
It's so hot. And I'm wearing a white shirt for some reason. I should have thought that through. Oh my god.
Really that hot, bro?
That's pretty hot. That was the hottest wings they have. Oh, so it gets worse. It keeps getting hotter. I hope they can hear and do that bit just for nothing. Okay, good. We're good.
That'd be so fucking funny.
I have another atomic wing in the kitchen. It's probably the worst ASMR right now.
I'm sure there's worse.
It's so hot.
Been a while since we played on these characters. I forgot this character was a warlock.
Oh my god. I didn't get milk. I don't have any milk either.
Rip.
Dude, I wonder how much of a ghost pepper that was. Because they have like a unit that's like Scoville's, I think.
Yeah. It was based on the Scoville, I think is based on like the jalapeno too. So
My
like that's
mouth
where
is so red.
like a certain amount of Scoville
Oh
is
my
like
god.
how hot it would be if you ate like this many jalapenos at one time.
What was that? What was the Scoville on that? Let's look it up. Okay.